Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial we are going to solve some numericals which are actually as a part of MCQ. They may ask in the board exams or some of the competitive exams. So let us start. First question says, in the unit cell of a compound, atoms A are arranged at 7 corners and atom B are arranged at the center of each face. Now this is a FCC crystal where you can find the corners and faces are occupied. They ask what is the formula of the compound. So for solving this you need to remember one table which we have already learned previously, that for FCC the number of atoms on the corner is 1. The corner contribution is 1 by 8. When it comes to phases, the contribution is 1 by 2. So here 7 corners are occupied. That means normally the cube, if you take, it has 8 corners, 4 upper corners and 4 lower corners. But among the 8 corners, 1 corner is empty because of some defects, the void present in it. Some imperfection is there. So 7 corners are occupied. So what we will take it as 7 into 1 by 8, because this is a 1 by 8 contribution. 1 by 8 contribution of what? The corner. Okay, as we have seen here. So 1 by 8, because if 8 corners are occupied, what we take it as 8 into 1 by 8. Now here it is 7 corners are occupied, so we will take it as 7 into 1 by 8. Okay. The number of B atoms at the phases are 6 into 1 by 2, because 6 phases are there. Okay, and 6 into 1 by 2, that becomes 3. So if you compare A is to B ratio, that becomes 7 by 8 is to 3. And if you take LCM, so you will need to multiply this 3 by 8. So 8 3s are 24, that becomes 7 is to 24. So what is the formula? Formula will become A 7 and B 24. So the correct answer is A 7 B 24. Now moving to the second question. In a crystal lattice there are X types of atom at totally 6 corners. Please note, there are 8 corners generally, but only 6 are occupied, while the Y types of atoms at the center of each phases in the unit cell. So the phases are occupied. What will be the molecular formula of the compound? Very similar to this kind of question. Okay, so again the same, here it was 7, now here only 6 corners are occupied. So what will take 6 into 1 by 8, and that simplifies into 3 by 4, because if you cut this will become 3 and this will become 4. Contribution to Y atoms at the center of phases will be 6 into 1 by 2, because phases are occupied. Okay, so that is 3. Now if you compare, just like A is to B, we are comparing X is to Y, that becomes 3 by 4 is to 3. Okay, because these X atoms are what? 3 by 4. If you take LCM, that becomes 3 is to 12, and it simplifies into 1 is to 4. So the formula will become X 1 Y 4. Commonly we can say this is XY 4. So the correct answer is XY 4. So I hope you are getting this kind of question. They may ask you that if the one of the corner is missing, that in this case you need to multiply that available corners into 1 by 8. Okay. Now we are moving to next questions. Now the next question says that in a crystal lattice, A type of atoms are arranged at totally 7 corners. That means one is missing. B type of atoms are arranged in the center of the unit cell. What will be the molecular formula? So in last two examples, these examples are what? FCC. Okay, these are the example of FCC, and this example is of BCC, where you find the B type of atom are arranged in the center of the body cell. Okay, now again look at the table carefully. If you are talking about BCC, what happens with the corner? The corner contribution is 1 by 8 in all the cubes. It remains the same. Okay, all type of cubes. This is a simple cube, body centered or face centered. That is going to remain the same. So the body center does not have any phases, but it is having the one atom which is present in the center of the body, center of the crystal, and that contribution is remaining as one only. Okay, so here looking at the question, how many corners are available? 7. So 7 into 1 by 8, just similar to this previous one, 7 into 1 by 8, this becomes 7 by 8. But since the body center has one atom, so we take the contribution as what? 1. Okay, so here the B will become 1. Okay, because it is BCC. Okay, I hope you are getting. So A is to B, that is 7 by 8 is to 1, and if you take LCM or cross multiplying, that becomes 7 is to 8, and the formula will become A7 B8. Okay, so correct formula is A7 B8. Okay, now moving to one more example. In a crystal having FCC structure, so they have previously defined. Okay, otherwise you can identify from the question, by reading the question you can identify the pattern of the crystal. Atom of A are arranged at the corners of the cube, and atoms of B are arranged at the center of the faces. Now they have not defined. They say if one of atom of B is removed from the center of the face, what should be the formula of the compound? Now looking at the FCC crystal, let me show you FCC crystal. Now what you can find is 8 corners are occupied. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, the upper 4 corners, and the lower 4 corners, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 6 faces are there. Okay, now read the question again. It says that A are arranged at the corners, that means 8 corners are fully occupied. So there should not be any question regarding how this has come. 8 corners are occupied. Okay, no corner is in need of any of the A atom, but one of the B is removed from the center of the phases. That means among 6 phases, 5 phases are available now. If we remove one phase, okay, that means if you take 5 phases, okay, so according to this table we have taken 6 phases. Okay, regular FCC has 6 phases, but now only 5 phases are available. So this becomes 5 is to 1 by 2, and that becomes 2.5, or you can also take it as 5 by 2. Okay, no problem. But if you are taking this as 2.5, so we are comparing this A is to B as 1 is to 2.5. So you need to cross multiply this. or even if you take this as 1:5/2, so this 2 will be cross multiplied here and this becomes 2:5. Okay, and this is how the formula has come, A2B5. So the correct answer is A2B5. I hope you are clear with this type of examples. Now we will see some different types of MCQ. Now these are some examples based on the packing efficiency. I hope you have already learned packing efficiency before watching this video. Let us start. An element A has face-centered cubic structure with the edge length equals to 361 picometer. The apparent radius of A would be, okay, now let's see, this is HCP and CCP, which is again a type of FCC crystal. See carefully, you need to use this formula, radius, how radius is related to edge length, R is equals to A divided by 2 root 2. Okay, so this formula we are going to use, R is equals to A 2 root 2. I hope from where this formula has come you are clear with. The edge length is given, that is 361 picometer. Okay, and if you substitute the value, let us use the calculator. So 361 divided by 2 divided by 1.414, and that comes 126.65, which is very close to 127.6. So the correct answer is A, 127.6. Okay, now let us move to one more example. The fraction of the total volume occupied by the atoms present in a simple cube is. So actually they are talking about the packing efficiency, and you know you have derived this equation previously. Volume of one atom divided by volume of cubic of the unit cell, that is 4/3 pi r cube upon 8 r cube into 100, that comes pi by 6. Okay, now they are asking just a fraction. Okay, so here there is one mistake. In a simple cube, the number of atoms per unit cell, that is not equals to 4, that is equals to 1. Please note there is a typographical error, so you need to correct it while you are noting or reading this or seeing this. So in a simple cube, the number of atoms per unit cell, that is equals to 1. Okay, so the volume of sphere becomes what? 4/3 pi r cube. The total volume of the cube is what? 8 r cube, and if you take the ratio, that comes pi by 6. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, and how this has come, you by using this packing efficiency only. Now moving to next example, and that is sodium metal crystallizes at the room temperature in the body centered. Okay, so now they have cleared that the sodium has a BCC structure. So before proceeding, you should know the formula of BCC structure. So this is the packing efficiency of BCC, and how you correlate R and A. This is the radius and cell edge length. By using this formula, R is equals to root 3/4A. So we are going to use this formula. R is equals to root 3/4A. You have the value of A is equals to 4.29. Let us substitute this and calculate this by using calculator. So root 3/4. So root 3 is what? 1.71 into A, that is 4.29, divided by 4, and that comes 1.833 which is very close to 1.85, okay, because the other ranges are different, okay. There might be issue regarding this root 3 value. They might have taken 3 or 4 digits. That's the reason there is a variation. But you can take it as 1.85, no problem. Okay. So the correct answer is 1.85, and that is answer C. Now moving to the next question, copper crystallizes in FCC. So they have defined this in FCC, you have learned this, R is equals to A divided by 2 root 2. So same formula we are going to use, okay. And the unit cell length, that is a H cell length, is 361 picometer. What would be the radius? So just simply substitute the values, and using calculator let us calculate. That is 361 divided by 2 divided by 1.414, and that is 127.65 picometer, that is 128 picometer. So answer would be 128 picometer. Here again, because of the same value, the value has very close, or it appears as the same because of the same edge length, okay. This example, last example, is a part of your exercise. Let me tell you the number. This is exercise number 21. It says gold with the atomic radius. Now R is given. Please note. Atomic radius is given, that is 0.144 nanometer. Crystallizes in FCC centered unit cell. Okay, so FCC, again this formula you are going to use. Okay, FCC. What is the length of the side of the cell? Okay, so what is asked to you? The value of A. For a face centered, we know the formula R is equals to A divided by 2 root 2. So A becomes 2 root 2 R if you cross multiply this over here, and simply substituting the value of R will give you the answer. So let us calculate this using the calculator. A is equals to 2 root 2 R, and we can use 2 into 1.414 into value of R, that is 0.144, and that is 0.407232. So we will take this only 3 or 4 digits, that is they have taken 4 digits, so 0.4072, and the unit will be what? Nanometer. Okay, so this is how the answer has come, C, 0.4072 nanometer. So I hope you are clear with this all kind of numericals which are actually as a part of MCQ. Okay, similarly you may see these are the questions they have asked in JEE exams also. Okay, JEE exams earlier was to be AIEEE exams, AIPMT, that is NEET exams, okay, All India Pre-Medical Test. So such kind of examples we have seen as a part of JEE and this NEET preparation also. These examples are very important, okay. So please do prepare, do watch this video, and in case of any doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the more videos.